Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and today it's not a whole lot, but I did come across some pre-built computers with some graphics cards in them. I actually purchased one of them, not two of them. I held up two single fingers, but I only meant one. I purchased one of them so that one of them is on the way and I can test it out. But I found some others that were also some pretty good deals. So if you're interested, just come with me and you will see what I found. Hope everybody's having a great day, by the way. Okay, starting off first over here at Best Buy. I found this. It's a 10700F with 16 gigs of RAM and a 2060 Super. So you're looking at a 40 to 44 mega hash card on Ethereum, 1300 bucks. It's open box. I think this is the last one that they have open box. So you can just search for it, Dell G5. It'll probably be gone in no time. Then I also found there's an HP Omen. This is they're actually sold out for $16.99, but they have them open box right now. This has a 3060 Ti in it with an 8-core 5800X and 16 gigs of memory. To get to the open box, you just click on open box right there, and boom, they have it right there, 1,580 bucks. So the cheaper ones you have to go in store to pick them up, but that one actually ships to you. So 1,500 bucks, 3060 Ti. Bam. Hopefully it's a good one. Now, I also ran across this bad boy. So this is a Ryzen 5, a little bit older. It's a 3600, so it's a 6-core, 12-thread, 16 gigs of RAM, and it has a regular 3060 in it, not a Ti. There is a risk that this one is a LHR card and not a nerfed card. If you don't know what the difference is, an LHR card will not run the developer driver, but a nerfed card will. So a nerfed card can still get 50 mega hash on Ethereum, but an LHR card can't. So nobody knows, but it's 1,900 bucks, and it's honestly a pretty solid deal, especially if you don't have an up-to-date computer. This bad boy only really needs more storage. 500 gigs nowadays is not enough, so slam it in some more storage, and you're good to play some basically everything. But now going on over to Amazon, this well, I'll show you the Mac Daddy deal first. So this bad boy right here, the Skytech Shadow 3.0, it has a Ryzen 5, so 6-core, 12-thread, just like the other computer, but this one has an RTX 3060 Ti. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a Ti. So hopefully that's a 60 mega hash card and not a LHR card. It doesn't say. I looked through all the description and it doesn't note if it is LHR or not. I'm taking a risk on it. I went ahead and bought one of these. It looks like it's not going to be in for about another week and a half. But yeah, it also comes with a 1 terabyte SSD, a B450 motherboard. The big advantage of buying from some of these retailers that do like their own custom builds is it's not technically an OEM build. All the parts are like aftermarket parts. Like it's a BioStar motherboard right there. I don't know what brand of graphics card it is. If you go down below, it says brands will vary. Basically, whatever they can get their hands on for the cheapest is what they put in there. But that means you don't have to deal with proprietary hardware either. So you can mix and match and change, put stuff in different and different stuff out. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully it does good. I'll be reporting on that and doing a review on it when it comes in. But this is renewed. So I don't know what that means. Somebody got it, didn't like it, returned it. I don't know. But hopefully everything's good. Now, basically, it is the same exact computer. Well, it's not the same exact computer. It comes with a different CPU, but it's a 3060 Ti computer. This one is also renewed, but this one has an i7 9700K. So it's an Intel setup instead of AMD. Honestly, nowadays I'm kind of leaning more towards AMD, but I'm still an Intel guy, deep down. The pictures on this one actually look way cooler because I think this one comes with a water cooler for the CPU, whereas the other one was just air cooled. But this is a 3060 Ti, $1,359. Wow, there's only one of these left in stock. I didn't realize that. But what I'll do is I'll show you what I end up searching on Amazon to find this stuff because everybody's like, "How do you find this? How do you find this?" So my search is 3060 desktop. That's what I search for. And then I just go through this list and I just check it like every day. Obviously, you have to be careful because like $1,000, but that's a 5500 XT. No bueno, that's not a 3060, so you got to keep looking. Here's a 3060 for 1600, and a little high. Prices are starting to come down. Every now and then you're seeing some decent deals right there. 3060 Ti, 1,099. That's the one I just showed you guys. 3070 for 2499. That's a little pricey there in my opinion. 3060 for 2,000. That's way too much money. Ryzen 7 with 3060 for 1699. I don't know. That's not horrible. But anyway, I will share this link right here down below in the description. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so if you buy something through it, it helps me out. And if you don't want to, then you can just navigate to Amazon by yourself. That's cool. You don't have to help me out. But yeah, so that's how I'm able to find stuff right now. So no secrets. It just is what it is. And then I also go through Best Buy and I search gaming desktops and I go all the way through their desktops to see, because they're constantly, stuff's coming in and out of stock. So if you're trying to grab a laptop, or I mean, sorry, a desktop or a graphics card, this could be a way to do that. Now, some people are like, oh, well, you could buy the desktop, pull the GPU out, put a different GPU in, and then resell it. You could do that, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to get this one in and then just use it, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. By the way, this stuff over here, this is my wife's stuff, so don't look at that. Bras and stuff and things. But yeah, so hopefully that helps some people out there find a computer or find a graphics card. I know a lot of people have been holding off on building a computer, so maybe buying a pre-built just can hold you off a little bit longer until you can build the Mac Daddy system. Or you could also, you could buy the pre-built and kind of scavenge some parts off of it and then end up selling it off later on. Maybe put your old parts in there and sell it locally, because local prices are still sky high in my area. If you go on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist is dead, but Facebook Marketplace, computers are selling like still top dollar. So you could potentially get one of these in, pull the parts you want out of it, maybe the RAM and the GPU, put your old RAM in it, maybe your old GPU, and then resell it and try to recoup some of the money back. I think that I could see that happening. So yeah, we'll look out for when my pre-built comes in. I ain't bought a pre-built in a minute, so we'll see how it is. Yeah. Feels kind of weird buying a pre-built, honestly, but oh well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. If you have any links or any websites that can get you some deals on computers, please drop it down below. And if I see any good ones, I'll pin your comment up at the top. So hopefully more people will be able to find some computers and stuff and things like that. So thanks for watching, guys. By the way, small little update here. Power company came out. There's an issue with my power box at the road. It was leaking transformer oil, so that they have to come out and change out the whole transformer while they're digging the line in the ground. I recorded that, but I'll mesh that all together once I get more footage. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bam. Knuckles.